The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will feature the most advanced Pixel cameras yet, and Google AI to help you do more, even faster. They will also have features like Magic Eraser and Live Translate, which are already available on Google's older devices. The Pixel 8 Pro will have a flat 6.7-inch OLED screen with 1344 x 2992 resolution and a peak brightness of 2400 nits. The Pixel 8 will have a 6.17-inch OLED screen with 1080 x 2400 resolution and a peak brightness of 1400 nits 3. Both devices will support a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be powered by a new Tensor G3 processor, which is said to offer faster performance, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, and support for hardware-based ray tracing 3. The Pixel Watch 2 will be compatible with the new Pixel phones and will offer more personalized help, safety features, and health insights. It may also have a new sensor that can measure stress levels by detecting electrodermal activity. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are rumored to cost $699 and $999 respectively, while the Pixel Watch 2 is expected to cost $349. Pre-orders will begin on the day of the event, and shipping will start on October 12th.